Welcome back to our YouTube channel where we bring you the latest tips and tricks to maximize your Power BI experience. In today's video, we were going to dive into the world of data importation and show you how to import datasets in Power BI from various sources. Whether you are dealing with SQL Server, Excel spreadsheet or CSV text file, we have got you covered. So let's get started. So this is our dashboard. Before we jump into the specifics, let's quickly recap what Power BI is for those might be new to the platform. Power BI is a powerful business analytics tool developed by Microsoft. It allows you to connect to various data sources, create visually appealing reports and dashboards, and gain valuable insights from your data. Importing datasets is a crucial step in the process, so let's explore how to do it. There are so many ways to get data. We can get data here also, data as well. Firstly, let's tackle importing datasets from SQL Server. Power BI offers a seamless integration with SQL Server, making it incredibly easy to import data. Here, what you need to do: open Power BI and click on the Get Data button. Select SQL Server from the list of available data sources. Enter the server details, including the server name, credential, or choose the specific table view want to import. Click Load to import data into Power BI. Great. Now that you know how to import datasets from SQL Server, let's move on to the Excel side. Excel spreadsheets are more common in data source and Power BI make it a breeze to import them. Here's are the step-by-step process. Open Power BI and click on the Get Data button. Choose Excel from the list of available data sources. Power BI to the location of your Excel file and select it. Select the specific spreadsheet or named range you want to import. Click Load to bring the Excel data into Power BI. Lastly, let's explore how to import datasets from CSV or text files. CSV and text files are widely used for the data storage, and Power BI provides support to importing them. Following these steps to import CSV or text files, open Power BI and click on the Get Data button. Select text CSV from the list of available data sources. Locate your CSV or text file and choose it, specifically the delimiter and any other relevant settings. Click Load to import CSV or text data into Power BI. And there you have it. You know how to import datasets in Power BI from various sources like SQL Server, Excel, CSV text file. Importing datasets is a fundamental skill in Power BI, enabling you to unlock the full potential of your visualization and insights. Thank you for joining us today as we explored the process of importing datasets in Power BI. We hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you have any question or topic you would like to cover in the future videos, please let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to stay up to date with all our latest content. Until next time, happy data importing.